Hey, welcome back to the Gospel Music Training Center. This is JP. Jonathan Powell once again. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be covering chords and progressions that relate to the song The Blood Still Works. This song is more of a traditional style of gospel music, and you're going to get into some of the two-hand chord voicings and things like that, because the last time we covered this song, we only had enough time to cover the take one side of things. So this time around, we're going to focus on the things that you could do if you have a bass player. All right? So we're going to be in the key of A flat major. We broke down the intro the last time we did this lesson, but what I'm going to do is edit it into the beginning part. But first, let's look at the scale that we're in. So we're in the key of A flat major. So A flat is the 1. B flat is the 2. C is the 3. D flat is the 4. E flat is the 5. F is the 6. G is the 7. Then we're back at the 1. A flat. So that's the number system and the scale for A flat major. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the previous lesson where we covered the intro, so that way I won't waste time breaking down the same thing all over again. And then we're going to pick it up on the next part of the song. All right? All right, so we're going to be in the key of A flat major. Let's look at the scale and the number system. So A flat is the 1. B flat is the 2. C is the 3. D flat is the 4. E flat is the 5. F is the 6. G is the 7. And we're back at the 1, A flat. Okay, so that's our scale and number system. And the first thing that we're going to do is start off with the intro. Now this is going to be a challenge, but I recommend that you really slow this down, and I'm going to try to come up with the best approach to how to actually play this. Here we go. Okay. So now we're going to go from the 3 to the 5. So chromatically, same thing, same chords that we did, but it's a different rhythm. Instead of going bum 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 bum, we're gonna go bum 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 bum. Seems the same, but it's a different rhythm. Bum 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 versus bum 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 bum. Okay, so same chords. 3, 4, flat 5, 5. So when we get to the 5, which is the A flat over E flat, now I'll show you this one more time. So we're going from the 3. I have an A flat major chord over C. So I have C, E flat, and A flat. You can finger it in both hands pretty much, but you can finger it however you want to. So C, E flat in the left hand, and in the right hand you can play A flat, C, E flat, and A flat. But all in all, it's 2 of these together. Okay? So then we're going to go to the 4 and have D flat, F in the left hand, and then A flat, D flat, F, and A flat in the right. That's on the 4. To the flat 5, okay? So I have D, F, and A flat, or D and F in the left hand, and then A flat, B, D, F, and A flat in the right hand. To the 5. So now I have E flat and A flat in the left hand, and then C, E flat, and A flat in the right. So, and hit on the 5. And then, so what's happening is, you're playing an A flat major chord over E flat, rhythm, and then you're going to change this to minor. So now I have an A flat minor chord. So I have E flat, A flat, and B in both hands. So Okay. So now we're gonna go, that's what the bass player is gonna do. He's gonna walk from the 1 to the 4. And then a 4, flat 3, 2, 5, 1. So here we go from the 3 to the 5. A flat major on the 5. Then change to minor. Yeah. So right there, that's what you could do. So I'm starting with this rhythm. Then I'm playing this G tritone, which is F and B. Whoops.